Over the course of aging, you can develop some sunspots on your face and some red spots on your face. Those are brown spots and usually some little blood vessels that grow on your face. We want to make sure that people are seeing their dermatologist so they can make sure to be screened for skin cancer, but everything else usually is considered to be some kind of a sunspot. We have several options for treating those sunspots and the blood vessels that are on your face. We call those the browns and the reds. One thing that we can do would be to consider just medical grade skincare, and we can work on a lot of those brown spots and actually prevent the melanin from basically kind of opening and bursting at the skin surface. The sunscreen will help with prevention of skin cancer, but it won't necessarily prevent the pigmentation that happens. So good medical grade skincare can really carry you a long way. The next thing we talk about is IPL. That's an intense pulse light, and in our practice we have what's called the ZEO, and this is really helpful for kind of targeting that pigment. And there's even some good 10-year data that doing an IPL treatment about 4 times a year can help with long-term facial rejuvenation as well. The other thing that we can do is a specific YAG laser targeting certain little blood vessels, especially around the base of the nose. That can be really helpful. You can still continue to grow some. You might need some repeated treatments, but we're just really trying to keep, the weeds, down. In addition, the other things that you can do would be laser genesis. So laser genesis is actually a YAG laser as well, and it really helps with diffuse redness. So you're basically kind of waving the wand of the YAG laser over the skin is targeting all that red. Some people think that it really makes you feel more rejuvenated. You can have it done at lunch. I usually combine my IPL with my laser genesis, and we've figured out a protocol for that. And I think that's been a game changer basically for me. So when you think about browns and reds, you should be really thinking about intense pulse light, the YAG laser, laser genesis, and really good medical grade skincare.